What's the meaning of beltway? Beltway. Beltway.
Beltway. Beltway. In general, the term beltway refers to a highway or expressway that encircles a major urban area. Specifically, in the United States, the beltway often refers to the Capitol Beltway, a high-speed, multi-lane highway that encircles Washington, D.C. and its suburbs. The term can also refer more broadly to the political and bureaucratic establishment in Washington, D.C., as well as to the media outlets and pundits who cover national politics from within the Beltway. The term is often used derisively by those outside of Washington, D.C. who feel that the Beltway has become out of touch with the rest of the country.